Fossils and terns unearthed fossils of bizarre 220-million-year-old reptile. A particular 220-million-year-old reptile of a Berlin reptile species of Berlin reptiles have evaded scientists has been found fossilized, and a team of national park service interns have been credited with its discovery. Here in the once favorite part of Arizona's Petrified Forest National Park, the barrel-growing paleontologists have unearthed fossils of sky balanox skater, an anteater-like reptile that probably predates dinosaurs, according to Plini's published this month on the Journal of Vertebrate Paleontology. It's a new species of reptile that spots only live in trees. The animal belongs to the group Dapinsaurs, often considered the ugly duckling of reptiles. The University of California Museum of Paleontology describes the creature's features seemingly drawn at random from evolution's spell parts box, where bird beaks and tails punch of a claw almost too oddly fancied to be real. This animal was indeed real. It lived in the area and once over one of life during the Triassic period some 220 million years ago. Xavier Jenkins, an Idaho State University PhD student who was credited with the animal's discovery, told CNN. It is generally surprising that such a thunderstorm ridge rock took this long to be discovered. It's reviewing a hidden diversity of ancient life in a petrified forest, Jenkins said. Jenkins' colleague, Virginia graduate Ben Killigan, really stumbled into the area, which was dubbed the Thunderstorm Ridge, and found the fossils in its prime. The area was likely a swamp-like environment with rivers and lakes that attracted species of all kinds, including the typically seems that these tree-dwelling Dapinosaur. The fossils Dickens and his fellow interns found were so small that they had to screen wash them, meaning that they broke down the rocks through the waters through metal screens. And the species was named Doug Krieger. It's fitting since the bones are quite literally found in the fossilized poop. Diggins said its claws were once perfect for digging. The team's analysis told unlike the Dapinosaur species, it had a large claw on its second finger, and its claw was much wider than those other species. Unknown Dapinosaur species were much suitable for climbing living on trees. Claws that wide, Diggins says, are only for burrowing like animals like echidnas and spinaneers and wolves. There are shows that persist that in prehistoric ecosystems that those are much more similar to the modern than we previously thought, with animals climbing burrows swimming find us like today. The discovery of scarabaeus also says that the petrified forest hosted far more life for far more longer than previously expositions thought, and the park's swampy past also resembles ecosystems that survive today and host relatives of the Draposaur. And there we go. That is it. This is a very, very weird and odd animal discovered. And that means this animal is the newest animal discovered for the Triassic period, which was a very, very, very weird and interesting time in the Earth's history. So that's basically it. Goodbye.